General elections were held in Zambia on 12 August 2021 to elect the president and National Assembly. The president is elected via the two-round system. Of the 167 members of the National Assembly, 156 are elected by the first-past-the-post system in single-member constituencies, with a further 8 appointed by the president and 3 others being ex officio members, the vice president, the speaker and 1 deputy speaker elected from outside the National Assembly. The voting age is 18, whilst National Assembly candidates must be at least 21. A total of 16 candidates registered to run for the presidency. The race was expected to be a close race between Edgar Lungu of the Patriotic Front and Hakainde Hichilema of the United Party for National Development. Both competed in the 2016 presidential elections, which Lungu won by a margin of 50.35% to 47.63%. On 15 May 2021, Electoral Commission of Zambia Chair Essa Chulu launched the start of the election campaign. However, politicians were advised to minimize large crowd gatherings during campaign meetings due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.